Hello people, so I'm gonna be playing this online safety quiz. So sorry if you can see the light from the window, but the window is like open, so I'm going to school because it's your wizard. So if it's like this question, it's reset your password. And you get a check mark. Someone sent you a mean genogram. It's best to click this one. Gives you a check mark because you did it right. I already did this earlier, so a jammer says, so you say all these answers are good ideas. What should you do? This one, guys. Don't trade because it might be a trick. You see a jammer bullying others. Use their player card to report them all that. Sorry if I talk so low. My mom is gone, so I'm on her bed. She went to town. How should you share your Animal Jam password? It's this one. I got quite a few gems from this thing. What is the best kind of account password? Okay, I'm looking. I'm forgetting. Okay, it's this one. So where can you find the Animal Jam rules? Your parents can be. It's this one. Go too much to go. This one and the other one. This is what information can you share? It's this one. No, this one. Your favorite game, Animal Jam game or item. Last one. So you go on this one. Then you're done. See, it didn't give me the prize because I already got it. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed that thing. If you wanted to do it, watch this video. See ya!